Remakeup archery kamdaya pauping. Manipur we land and forest record sangda zingkum hangturuk da shiniwi gazette copies digitalized saira. Major Bob Cutting Tournament Hunpun Pungjam Football Association na yuhaira. State level karate to ngahanli Tangkhul now maikaya sambanghaira. Like Yangator, Archer the Tangkhul Express Wipau, Wungramphi Ngalung in a Pamitale, Bauping he by sign and Angrumsa. Manipur will land and forest record sangda. Zingum hangturuk de shiniwi, gazette, copies digitalized sabokaira. Ngalay hina digital atomli ngasunda zat kawai pekar kahaka karkwida 1950 kum ungshungdawi state gazette digital format dana semkui haira. On Ngaruti Manipurwi Directorate of Branding and Secretary na Kukwina. January 18, 1950 kumwina Gazette number 18 nina haupokta 2017 we March kachang ina tagdawi page 147 willy 31,316 Gazette digitalized Sahiraji. Maram Hiwivang CM Biren Singh na ex-League Bishokta, Directorate of Branding and Stationery Manipur, NIC Cubitant Technologies Kala, Odngarut Chili Shirikakui Saikorali Mayakangai Pongshoka. Sada Kalejina State with Totrinjan, La Teda Maramli Kangui, La Controversies Mashokavai Kasali, Kamataya Sarada CM Biren Singh na Hanga. Achukumwi Major Bob Cutting Tournament Hunpun Pungjam Football Association na Kayui Maikaya Sambangaira. Kum Kachida Major Bob Cutting wi Mingli Ngaryong Hanhi Rungmimi Jita Achukumla 10th Sector Assam Rifles wi Azingli Somsai Petalan Major Bob Cutting Relang Nawi 112th birth anniversary Kamayon in Soda Okrul Headquarterly Tournament Mapung Palak in Akupsangaira. 2024 Major Bob Cutting Tournament hi Somsai Petalan Okrul District Sports Association Utsale Ngshikta Makok Mia. Major Bob Cutting wi Mingli Rungkami Mayor now we Katara Kanjuite Tournament we finally Hunpun Pungjam Football Association nina Haukok FC Ngatakta Match G Yarina Ninyang Unglak ina Yankakui Sampanga. Kanini shi sakjang ngorokta langkai avuvu zang ngoroklaka tiebreaker penalty hi HPFA na yuhawa. Kanjute kayu shili lupa lak aku kala runner-up li lupa ting hangshini de panga saman miya. Kanjute semi-final kaka kanini shi huishu kala youngster FC lila saman lupa ting magarip miya. Tournament chui past goalkeeper Tara Kachui Natahaira kala best player ngaraibam na Sampanga. Ani kanini Hunpun Pungjam Football Association we kangarionauna. Tournament chili shinawi volleyball kala now shinau bingwivang pebilik kanjuite ngahanla rungmia. Somsai Battalion na Major Bob Cutting Relang Nawi 112 per anniversary Kamayonji Okruli Semaida Kale Major Bob Cutting Statue Li Wonri Haimida Kayagashi Pongshok Ranye Kwikalaga Aya Kupsanghaira. Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association Megana Makokame 16 State Level Karate Do Championship Li Tangkhul Naula Maikaya Sampangaira. Ngahan G Imphal Ibuto Bakangba and Ima Malem Laishna Community Hall Batsoi Bardwanli Achahon Kuptang Rungmia 16 State Level Karate Do Championship Chile Okrul District Wayne Shimganing Marzana Train Gasa Kangarionau Tara Dazangda Tarajina Metal Kayui Sampanga Maikaya Samkapangji Gold Medal Kala Silver Medal Mati Kala bronze medal panga yukuya. atum aya ukruli hangada atum ngahan shongzali ngachon me ka haibing li shimngani marzana ningshi pongshok hidada hanga
આજે you present design first name for district karate team વિભાગમાં હવે here the first and I the kuider le ila da mai kya samang da yi ha kai ring pa pao ni da hangai kala itumna આજે here the first step when the first half of the first time ni the bishop the le yi ring pa na kala next ni itumna result na pathway medal the chungweda the knowledge chungweda represent salary ji shit kisam le yegla gold medal la chungweda thamel chungweda workshop bara ji we shit kisam le aje we tournament hi tunna ya the medal samngai ri group samngai ri the samngai ji result today tunna khaila ga tum pa we na phomokaram ga the 이건 너무 민그 사 먹는 사람들 좀 내가 리오는 좀 이게 이 그래 아리 좀 자문들 이는 개페리 스펜 자문들 이라 그 정도 아닌데 이나 mention 사고에 그래서 the sir Vinia Smith technical assistant RD and PR 그분이 남 주림나 IS DC cross Tumali Sir Andrew Kusongbum, social worker. Atun mahila dari tumli chamang vai na wo kyo mai ni la ga ni da arila da shasha from the way tum sakori ni shnakari ji na wasada ngai
Imphali Kalay Regional Institute of Medical Science, Rimsley, 150-bed critical care block Semkawai, Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Foundation Stone Shun Mihaira. Foundation Shun Kame Ranyeji PM na online gazangna. Bed Shaka Hangpanga Haimiki Kichi Critical Care Block Chi, Luba 115.75 crore man, Prime Minister Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission Wazingli Semra. Meitei ena kuki ngarda Manipur Rot Kamaratli, Akashita la Muungrangachi PA Modina, Foundation Stone Shun Kame Ranyeji, Race Course Crown Rajkot Kucharadwena Zanga. Formal Program Chupli Hall, Rimsley, Kwikada, Chief Minister N. Puren Singh Muso Wosada Vazanga. Union Minister of State for Education and External Affairs, Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan, Outer Manipur Constituency, MP Dr. Lorho S. Foze, Uribok MLA Rakhumani, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Vandana Ching, RIMS Director, Dr. Chi Sunil Kumar Sharma, RIMSWI Medical Superintendent, Dr. N. Sanjip Atumla, Ranye Chili Vazanga. Kazip Chili RIMSWI Dr. and officials Pingna Vangarum. Sikkim Wivang Kare Sada Railway Station Project Haupokmi Kichihaira. Rangbo Station we Foundation Stone Aya Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Shunmiya. Alipurdur Deputy Railway Manager Amarjit Akrawal na Kahang. Rainbow Station hi tourist we Wangla Defense we Wangla Kamatayang Sara. Sikkim we Kare Railway Project chi Phase Kutumina Zadra. Phase Kareli Sevoki to Rangbo Rail Project, Chile Extension Sada Rangbo to Kangtok, Kangtok to Natula Washungra. Project Chi Achukum Kuprata Ngarangasana, Ka Unshimwe Terikupong Ngalay Kamin Hikatata Hina, Kahab Layhauda, 2025 Kum Kupsan Kawai Ningrin Sadale. Yari Ungwa Kasali Kang Johnny Nung Soda, Railway China, Sikkim, China border bum India with defense, Kangaran Lila, Ngajonra Chitale. Tarik Tarada Pangatang, Churachan Burli, Rot Kamarat Kishokling Sunda, Manipur Shorkarna, police personnel, Shinili suspend Sahara. Shorkar Chiz Kami Kishokati Shura, Jurachan Burot Kamarat Kishokli, anti social bina rumors Kangayawina, Ragashokna Jihaira. Home Department suspension order kashoka tishuda. Infal Wiena communities ngata data. We police officer Pangagala, Churachandpur district Wiena, aka suspend Sahira. Suspend Gasaji, preliminary evidence atishoda Gasanaji. Directorada Pangatangwi, Ochot Chili, security force na Yari. Kamkui Kavai Kasali, Mi Kani Ti, La Taraka Sadze Kahaina. Itumna Paningung Bai, Churachandpur district we Kuki police head constable luckily suspend Sada Chili Makamaya Yarina Prodes Kasali Kashokna. Yarina Prodes Kasajili, superintendent of police Ena, deputy commissioner we Office Complex Pamli, Kamai Kasa, Kari, Tarada Kani, Drug Kalabas Zangda, Sagazam Yahawaji. Atumna Sakakazam, Kari Bingji, Kani Liva, Churachandpur district with relief camesli, Mikavai, Otur Zangasana Jia. Yarijina, TC with officials, residents, Tot Kame and Soda, India with Pilan Lila, Kaya, Mshilakla Sayada, Order Jina Hangsanga. Mayokachang Corporation Minister Amit Shana, NUCFTC, National Urban Cooperative Finance and Development Corporation, Hapok Miki Dale. NUCFTC hi Urban Cooperative Bank Katina Bingli Technology in Capital Kokotom Kami Umbrella Organization. Kala Chi Mayo Tarik Kanitang launch Sarah. Urban Cooperative Banks Bingwi Longri National Federations of Urban Cooperative Banks and Credit Societies na NUCFTC Wivang RPI Win Certificate of Registration Kuihira NUCFTC Hina UCP Sector Li Kamataya Kangaje Kuiramira Umbrella Organization Jina Urban Cooperative Banking Sector Self-Regulatory Organization La Ngasara da NUCFTC Chairman Joydindra Medana Hanga. Nagaland Eastern Frontier Administration Ngateme Kawai Kabo Sakjangdale. Frontier Nagaland Territory FNT issue resolve Masarang Laka Inetangda Central State Election Li Shuruk Mukhi Marada Eastern Nagaland People's Organization Enbona Ngavau Haira. Enbo Zangda Federation Tribal Bodies, Frontal Organization, Talk Team Members, Senior Leaders Bingna Kokasada, Tuitak Katali, Electoral Process Boycott Sara Chihira. And Bona, Ngavau Kahai Chiling Sunda, Achahon Tarik Chikotang, Eastern Nagaland District Shinigala, ADC Headquarterly Meeting Tina, Really Zadlaka, FNT Jaime Kawai, La Memorandum of Settlement, Shoi Sakavai Shorgali Boya. Eastern Nagaland Yarina Goboli, Yankei Shonaga, Atumna Sakabai Apo, Kate Pahaura Kachila, Hangmatin Hire. Tribal bodies being na Nagaland Governally Memorandum la Misanga. Eastern Nagaland Maram Huivang Memorandum of Settlement Draft Proposal la Shokaya. Nagaland Chief Minister Nepiu Rio na Aya Terkami Shokta. Draft Proposal hi Ministry of Home Affairs Wien Shoka Kala G and Boli Ngsan Kawai Rioli Union Home Minister Amit Shana Mirajia. Draft G Union Home Ministry Wien Kushok Nagaland government win Kushokala Yarina Bukangaba Lehawada G Terkamigsana. Tarik Chikotang elected members bina proposed draft G Kokasada reject Sahawa Chilako and Bonava Chitaran draft G Masampang Mana Gachi Pau Ngatate the Shoka Gachila Hangda and Bo Ena legislator and Louis Alungli power sharing arrangement with Maramli Ngasan Gokwe Parada CM Riona Hanga. And Bona Ningjangaga draft G third part we Aina Manila Ministry of Home Affairs we Aina direct Kwibaya Gachila Riona Hangsanga. Indo Naga political issue hili Saikoro Wivang Pagi Gachi honorable acceptable inclusive settlement Kwirakavai Shorkar Radiana Layada CM Riona Hanga. Indian Army Li Zankavai Ekniverwi Recruitment Rally Hapokluyaya Nagaland aina Manipur wivangla online registrations shomida March tarik magada khani na tangda adam midalay. Agniver we online exam April kaying jang sarada ngarandalay. Lakavak Union Shorgarwi, Agnibat Military Recruitment Scheme li, Makamaya Congress na election kaaka, Kachama Recruitment Scheme kwika milishitra jihaya. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge na Maramhi President Draupadi Murmuli kabivada kahang. Agnibat scheme kalay hina konitot armed forcely regular employment ning kachang bingli mashun masami manada agniver sada armed forces li kazanghi permanent employment wivang maningda zingkum mati shika wivang mana atumna agniver sada Indian armed forces li zanglaka kangaja zatkana ring maningla agnibatwi system ngadeda leimia Agnibat scheme kwirada armed forces with regular recruitment process malay kami hina kanuitot lak kaniwi futurely sadzidaleida Khargena president li kabivaya. Manipur we team Chennai Physics National Championship ngahandi wagzang bing aya hanungda AMPPA na lumlak ina ngorokwiyaira. 14 men's junior master, Divyang junior men's and women's sport model physics, ladies women's sport model physics, and ladies women's swimsuit national championship 2024. Chennai Tamil Nadu li achahon Derek magada katumtang haupok laga magada pangatang kupsanga. Ngahanjali Manipur team na silver medals panga, bronze panga, 4th place madi, 5th place kani sampangda team championship ngasaira. Championship chili India apam ngadatai dewi units magada pangawena 325 athletes na categorized ngadatai dali kangahanna. Manipur Team G Junior Mr. India Bungja Singh na Team Manager kala AMPPA President IPPF Organizing Secretary N. Radan Singh na Coach Sada Thanwaya. Manipur Wena Maikaya Samgapangjali Soyawla A. Shatsang na Urban Junior Women Model Physically Bronze Sambanga. Ungwi Lungharwo na 60 kg junior men's bodybuilding li kamade. Jingri Kabai Shimrana Open Junior Women Model Physically kamade li kazang sambanga. Atum Royal Gymnasium Yukrulwi Athlete Manga. Aro itum gatshat nganangurumsa. Somsai li kale Assam Rifles Public Higher Secondary School li chishut me atbam hangdale. Academic session 2024 to 2025 wiwak CBSE affiliate kasa worshimjili professionally sound kala lungsanlak kahai atok teacher padale. Pre-primary with vacancy katum 10+2 with entity or equivalent being na Tasang Baira, Hindi wivang BA in Hindi kupkahai mi kani, English wivang BA English kupkahai ako, Maths wivang PSC kupkahai ako, EVS wivang BA kupkahai now ako, Computer wivang PA PSC PCOM TCA kupkahai ako, Arts Music Dance wivang Fine Arts Music Dance with degree diploma kale ako, Sports wivang BEd graduate aka, English wivang BA MA in English kupkahai nawaka, English wivang PSC Physics Chemistry Maths Bio MSc kupkahai mi kani, Social Science wivang BA MA kupkahai aka, Sanskrit wivang degree or diploma in Sanskrit kupkahai aka, Maths wivang Physics Chemistry Maths Bio MSc kupkahai naw aka, Computer wivang BCA, BTech, BSc Computer Science, BGDCA kupkahai aka the atok teacher album ngatatay da hangdale. Candidate BEd diet entity diploma in education la ngaray kajali ngsoda TED qualified sa kahaibing li prefer sara. Ning kasang bing na application ling soda educational certificate saikor kala Aadhaar card wi photocopies contact number zanglaga principal ARPS Somsai Ukrul BO Ukrul Manipur 795142 li miwa paira. Email artschoolsomsai14a@retifmail.com lila misang baira. Application G Mayo March Tarik Tarada Kali Muhi Me Paimara. Shortlist candidate Pingli interview with Horasara workshop with principal 9089263650 li contact Sabaira. Latluita Achewi Kamataya Paubing. Manipur we Land and Forest Records Sangda Zingkum Hangturukta Shiniwi Gazette copies digitalized Saira. Major Bob Cutting Tournament Hunpun Pungjam Football Association na Yuhaira. State level karate to Nghanli Tangkhul now Maikaya Sambanghaira. Achewi Bao Hiling Changhaira, Bao Ngana de Kalina Tum Psycho really ring a park la Kamaya Zimiksho Ngsasirano.